Hello! Today we're gonna do our fanciful
Dosirak!
It's been a while, but we thought we would do a fall Dosirak. What's on the menu? What are we starting off with?
Oh, this is gonna be a fall special edition. We're gonna have Dong-gue-rang-taeng and
Dong-gue-rang-taeng.
and what was the other one?
And then we have some figs.
And oi kimchi.
And then some cucumber kimchi as well.
Yes.
For Dong-gue-rang-taeng, it's very simple.
Daniel, it's my turn. 100 grams of beef and 200 grams of pork. We're gonna mix them. Beef, it gets a little bit too meaty. Pork, then it gets a little bit too greasy. So I like to mix the two together.
But if you can't have pork, yeah, you can just run it with beef too. Okay. Ah, we forgot to explain what a Dong-gue-rang-taeng is.
Oh yes, Dong-gue-rang-taeng is a Korean meatball.
Put that thing down.
It's my new mic. Dong-gue-rang-taeng is a Korean meatball. It's like, looks like this small. It goes in one mouth. And growing up, it was one of my favorite Dosirak banchan, and kids love it. I mean, even
I really
now
liked
I
it
love
too.
it. So
With a little bit of ketchup on the side. Woo! We're back in elementary school.
you're still not grown up with the ketchup.
What's wrong with ketchup?
Tofu, that's 150 grams. And then we're gonna do carrot, a finger length piece, third of an onion.
Once you chop up that onion, we just want to make equal amounts of these three veggies.
And then some spring onions, or you can use green onions too.
This looks like it's like a cartoon, just the way it looks.
No, you know what this looks like? Give me your hand. Both hands.
What?
That's it!
You're so weird.
Put the meat in first. You know this is a meatball, so you don't want them to be too big. Make it very small and slice them up. Okay, all the chopping is done. All equal parts. Dump them in. Beautiful. In Korean meatballs, we always use tofu because one, it's healthy. This also acts as a filler because if you make the meatball without tofu, then it gets a little bit too hard and tastes more like a hamburger. This feels like your belly.
Rude.
If you have a squeeze bag, use that. Unfortunately, Daniel tossed ours out, so we're using this paper towel.
Yeah, or a cheesecloth.
You can squeeze it because we're gonna smash them anyway. Grab your knife and just press them down. My stomach is rumbling. Squeeze in 3 cloves of garlic, or this is about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Put in about half tablespoon of salt. In half teaspoon of minced ginger. This is optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to. But this is to get rid of that 비린내.
The meaty.
Okay, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Go around. 5 or 6 shakes of black pepper. To be hygienic, give me my gloves. Ooh. Squeeze the ingredients with your hand like this. That way the meat combines. So Daniel, I have a question for you.
Yes.
What did you think of the spinning class the other day?
You know where the guy's like, come on girls, let's do it. And you got the hip hop music in the back. We signed up for a trial class and oh my goodness. 30 seconds in, I was like, oh, this is not too bad. And as soon as that music dropped, everyone was shaking their booties and moving to the right, moving to the
I
left.
still remember the dance move. And then we had to do this on the bike.
Yeah.
The guy was like, do this, and then do this. Do you remember what you said to me?
What?
This is not for me.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna turn that into a circular shape to little UFOs like this. Yes, first I like to turn them into a ball. But you know, I heard the UFOs don't come to Korea because our land is not too big.
It's because we eat too much garlic? Unlike Italian meatballs, we don't make them round. These Dong-gue-rang-taengs, we do flat bottom and flat tops.
Alright, it's done. We've made beautiful 20 pieces. And can you guess which one is done by Daniel?
You smashed mine on purpose. And neighbors, obviously we're making more than just for one dosirak. A tip here, if you put this into a Ziploc bag now, they'll stick to each other. So put this in the freezer for maybe around 30 minutes until they get hard. And then collect all of them and put it in a Ziploc bag and store the extra in the freezer.
Okay, we will crack 2 eggs. A little bit of flour here. Put it on a medium-low oil. Then with some flour. Be nice and thorough. Put it in egg wash onto the pan.
Wow, that looks perfect, Katie. And the egg's not even burned on top.
So guys, the key thing here is to cook it on a low heat.
Wow.
Our beautiful first batch is done. Shall I show you the inside? Yes. 보여줄게요.
Wow.
Look at it. Does it look good?
Oh my gosh, Katie, that looks wonderful.
I'm gonna try them, okay? 맛있어.
Katie, remember, we still have to save a few for the dosirak.
Oh, I forgot.
How many of you guys know what this is? This is garlic scapes. Take a look at this. It's very long, right? When the garlic plant flowers, the flowers come out from here. And then they have these beautiful shaved legs. Look at nothing on it. Smooth.
What's the part that you eat?
This part is tough, kind of like the bottom part of a celery. And then the flower part we don't eat, so we're gonna cut out like that.
So decisive.
Yeah, maybe we just move it right to the left of the tape. All right, and then I've already washed this. Cut this into maybe pinky-sized pieces.
Does this taste like garlic?
Good question. It has this crunchy texture and a slight hint of garlic in it. Katie, I want you to try it.
Oh, spicy!
No, guys, it's not spicy. Actually, to be a bit more precise, let's just measure this by cup. We'll do about 3 cups today. I'm gonna save the... All right, we have odang, which is just fish cakes. These two work beautifully because this one is soft and chewy, and this one is hard and crunchy. That contrast in texture, mwah. Cut this into the similar length to the garlic scapes.
Have you guys had fish cake before?
Alright guys, and then we're gonna make a quick stir fry sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce.
I have a question.
Yes.
What do you think is the hardest part about Korean cooking?
There's nothing hard. Everything is easy. All of our recipes are easy. What's hard? Maybe getting over the fact that some ingredients might be exotic to you, but that's all relative. And then we're gonna need a thickener, so let's do 1 tablespoon of honey. Katie, do you know how honey is made?
Yeah, they work hard to bring it from the flower.
It's actually the bees, they bring the nectar in their stomach, and then when they reach the beehive, they throw it back up into those honeycombs.
What?
Yeah, I did some late...
That's so interesting. I had no idea.
Yeah, I did some late night YouTubing. 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, and a 1/2 tablespoon of gochugaru. Gotta get a little bit of heat in this. Then let's quickly get some water to boil. Pinch of salt. And then we're gonna blanch these guys for 30 to 40 seconds because they're hard. Put them in. And we'll empty it out. Alright, and we'll just let this chill for a sec. And then we're gonna fill this back up. We're gonna blanch these ones too because you can see they're a little bit hard. I want them to get a little bit soft. That way when you bite in, you say, instead of, Dump it all in. Blanch it for about 30 seconds. Alright, and we're ready to roll. Put this on a medium heat. And how do you know that this is a Korean recipe? We're adding minced garlic to a dish filled with garlic scapes. I told you, this is why let's add the garlic scapes. Then stir fry it around for about 1 or 2 minutes. And once you start to see a little bit of blistering, we're gonna add in our odangs. Around for another minute so the moisture can leave, and we want to get a slight charring on these odang pieces as well. All right, you see that? I like where we're going. And now we're gonna get our sauce. I'm not gonna put everything in, maybe a little bit more than half.
Bring it on!
That's right. Toss it up. And guys, there it is.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Oh my goodness. We're ready.
맛있겠다. Can I have a try?
Yeah.
뜨거.
It's good?
Such a good combination. The crunchy one And then the fish cake
It's soft,
and the
right?
seasoning is perfect.
Alright guys, let's put our main banchan, which was what?
Dong-gue-rang-taeng.
No, you gotta let the audience say it, which was what? Good. Good pronunciation.
It's gonna give you a smile on the face and make you feel happy for the day.
I like that. Guys, remember I've been told you I've been making our tteokbokki. It's hot. Kitty, open the lid. Open. Show them. And then we'll get some of this.
Yay.
한 명은 열심히 하는 한 명은 그냥 밥 먹고 있고. A lot of savoriness. We need to cut it with some what? What did Koreans cut that grease with, Katie?
Kimchi.
Give me that kimchi. Give me that kimchi. Hey, give me that
Kimchi.
kimchi. Today is cucumber kimchi. We haven't made this one yet, but this is called oisobagi. This cucumber, it's like sliced into 4 and then it's stuffed with these chives and with some of this kimchi paste, and it's delicious. Actually, you know what? I don't think it's gonna fit in here, so let's cut one up.
And then if you open it up, it's like stuffed with all the greens.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
And some onions.
And just to fit it into our little thing, we're gonna cut it once more. Wow, it looks beautiful. Katie, can you undress?
Oh, is it a chestnut?
No, it's a fig. Open that thing up. I'm telling you guys need to get fresh fig. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. We'll put that right up here.
Alright, there it is!
Woohoo!
Look at this fancy dosirak.
Oh my
Who's the
gosh.
lucky one gonna have it?
It's gonna be me. Alright, now we're gonna ride the close-up school bus. Look at that edamame rice. And then our deliciously pan-fried Korean Dong-gue-rang-taeng.
And our beautiful fish cake and garlic scapes.
Cucumber
And,
kimchi.
yes, and fig. What is your favorite out of all these?
Of course, it's the meatballs. I mean... Is that signifying that you made it?
Exactly!